So viewer subscriber, in this update we have Teejay, the up top boss, assure us his new mansion that he purchased. Plus you also have Brysco and this up Jahshii. So channel man, remember, subscribe to the channel if you're new and make we get right into the video. So we'll kick off this review with Teejay. Yeah man, the entertainer assure us his brand new house. Yeah, so I have to say big up to Teejay same way, you know, because Teejay they in this for years now. Me no want nobody feel like say it's just months or 1 year. No. Teejay they in the music game for years. Yeah man, the entertainer been putting in the work and see that it finally pays off. So the entertainer assure us his new crib, you know, his new house. Yeah man, and it look good. Basically now hard work pays off. That's all me can say. The house look good and Teejay been a put in the work in a dance hall from day one. Yeah man, Teejay brand new crib. Big up to Teejay same way. But it just shows say hard work pays off. As if you're a subscriber. From you do something, you just dedicate yourself to it. And at the end of the day, when the results reach, you have to reap it. You see me? Nobody can reap your results but yourself. Yeah man. Big up to Teejay as I say. And also, the entertainer made a post to his IG page. I'm going to read what he say and make you see what really are going. Yeah man. So the post says, Teejay up top boss. On this day, a king was born. On this day, Timothy Jones aka Teejay up top boss has purchased his own property and it feels so good. Words can't even explain the way I feel right now. Thank you Father God, you are real. Yeah man. So basically now the entertainer feel good. But who wouldn't feel good to purchase a mansion? Remember, you know, growing up most of we people know how a mansion look. How inside of a mansion look. Most of we, you know, viewer subscriber. When we see when we see mansion, it would have be on like the media. Yeah man. It would have be some rich millionaire who hold some mansion and live in a some mansion. And now if you able to purchase one, yo, you are gonna feel good. Best believe, you are gonna feel good. You are gonna feel like you're on top of the world. So that's why I have to say big up to Teejay because the entertainer actually made it, you know. He put in the work and see it. Who can say Teejay in a dance hall or not or nothing? Who can say that? The entertainer put in the work and see it, the final pays off. Yeah man, the entertainer feel good. Big up yourself Teejay. And I hope say the rest of the young artists them who are come up in the business can see this and motivate themselves and push themselves. Because not just Teejay alone can achieve this. You see me? All of the young artists them who say them a musician can achieve this. You see me? And not just one man. This a life and no make for one person alone. Anybody can achieve this. You see me? You have to just dedicate yourself and put in the hard work. Alright, so we're gonna move over to the side of Brisco and Jahshii. So, viewer subscriber, Jahshii went on an interview with Let's Be Honest, and Jahshii talked on a bag of things. Yeah man, the entertainer called some bag of name, like for example Skeng, Tommy Lee, and I think him also called Brisco name. So Brisco made a post to his IG page saying, I see the little boy now put on the rum. You sound like a idiot for your interview. All you are talk about is one bag of man. You must say batty man. Yeah man. So from that blank out, you must say you're not supposed to know what's there. Yeah man. So Brisco had this up somebody that went on an interview. And as me say, Jahshii was the one who went on an interview recently. You see me? And Jahshii talk a bag of things. And as me say, the entertainer did a speak on Tommy Lee, Skeng, and I think also Brisco. Yeah man, the entertainer name did call. So why would Brisco diss Jahshii? What could Brisco and Jahshii have? You see me? But me not gonna say exactly a Jahshii, it's alleged. You see me? Me don't want to say a Jahshii, it's alleged. But make me know when you think about that viewer subscriber, because to be honest, me feel like a Jahshii. No joke. Me feel like a Jahshii ma talk. But why would he this Jahshii? You see me? Me don't know. Sometimes you see these entertainers together and you feel like say yo them good, and then boom, couple days after them no good. Me don't know them easy if you switch up, so I don't know, but something right. Viewer subscriber, you see, if you look closely to what Brisco wrote on his IG, you know that's one keyword. Let me tell you, the keyword is rum. Yeah man, remember when Skeng did a diss up Jahshii, you know? Skeng did a call Jahshii rumhead. And I say yo, the entertainer always a drink rum, something like that. You know, a music video. I don't remember it. But as you can see, Brisco used but the same word, rum. And remember when Jahshii went on an interview, you know, with ER, the entertainer did sound drunk. Yeah man, most people are say yo, Jahshii went into that interview with a junk. You see me? To how Jahshii did a talk and to how him the answer the questions, yeah man, them the same sound junk. And in the interview, even though remember, it's an interview, it's the ER interview where him that say him shot himself. Yeah man, in that interview. So basically now, Brisco used but the same word, which is rum, and a style up Jahshii. Remember says King style up Jahshii in our music video, you know, in our song, and I say yo, him talk enough when him drunk. You see me? So basically now Brisco come use but the same term, rum, and I said little boy now put on the rum. Yo, nobody can tell me say no Jahshii. Nobody cannot come tell me say I know Jahshii Brisco attack. Yeah man, Brisco, in my opinion, a diss up Jahshii. Yeah man, I call Jahshii rumhead. Just like how Skeng did I call Jahshii rumhead. Yo, you see, if you have a different opinion or you feel like say I know Jahshii, please bring proof and let me see it. I'm willing to see it. You see me? But in the end, the thing say Brisco and Jahshii good, but I guess not. So if you're a subscriber, let me know what you think about that. Let me know when you feel like say Brisco and this up. You see me? If you feel like say Jahshii, let me know in the comment section. You see me? And as always, 4K Shada Energy, big up for yourself and catch you in the next one.